Flagler Beach. Here we go.
Special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a special marine warning for Flagler Beach to Ocean Brevard County, line 0 to 20 nautical miles. Flagler Beach to Ocean Brevard County, lines 40 to 60 nautical miles until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Finally.
At 4:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from New Smyrna Beach to Oak Hill to near Mims, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets.
3 and 4.
Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Turtle Mound, Bethune Beach, Apollo Beach, Rancha and Eldora. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Wow.
Special
Hold up, what was that? Oh, that was my key.
Melbourne has issued a special marine warning for Ocean Brevard County, line to Sebastian inlet 0 to 20 nautical miles until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
I heard another big. Jacksonville. Cancel severe thunderstorm warning.
Producing water spouts was located over Merritt Island Wildlife
See,
Refuge.
as soon as it
near
reaches the
Titusville.
coastal waters, that's when they decide to issue something.
Hazard, water spouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, water spouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create locally hazardous seas. Make sure all suddenly high waves, lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations in Texas include Kennedy Space Center, Merritt Island Wildlife Refuge, Titusville, LaGrange, and Qualinda Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden water spouts. Water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.
The moment I call.
Special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Fernandina Beach to St. Augustine, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Villano Beach, or near St. Augustine, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft
Marine warning.
and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include
I am getting now.
Beach, Dorothy Louise Barge, Villano Beach, 9 Mile Reef, St. Augustine and St. Augustine Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
God darn the
Special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a special marine warning for Volusia Brevard County, line to Sebastian inlet 0 to 20 nautical miles until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Indian Harbor Beach or over Satellite Beach, moving east at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Satellite Beach, Indian Harbor Beach, South Patrick Shores, Oak Galley, and Palm Shores. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Special weather statement.
Here we go. Again. EAS number 308.
Special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Fernandina Beach to St. Augustine,
How
Florida,
many?
out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from
Marine
St.
chaos.
Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Fernandina Beach to St. Augustine, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles.
KX26 sounds like
Waters from St.
WXJ70.
Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Bigville. Oh no. SPS for South Central Lake in northwestern Orange.
At 5:24 p.m. Eastern greater and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Navy Driddock and Dorothy Louise barge. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Special
Warning! Marine warning! Oh god!
60 nautical miles until 8 p.m.
Yeah, but Jacksonville issued it. Dang it! What? Bot, why are you so slow?
East at 30 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to 40 knots. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open
God
waters.
dang you,
Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Melbourne! Wow! Melbourne, why? Melbourne just tested! Okay, Melbourne's really dumb. Thank goodness I did not start... Thank God I didn't start editing.
Severe weather is expected on Wednesday. The test will be postponed until the next day, where the performance.
Melbourne, you are dumb.
Especially the warning signals can vary at any given location.
Hold up, let me, God dang it, on iPad.
From the transmitter can result even
Bro,
though you are using a good quality
at
receiver.
7:49,
Warning alarm tone
an hour and 49 minutes late.
where the signal is reliably received. Insufficient strength for consistent and
Melbourne, you're officially considered dumb. Have me sitting here waiting for an hour. You are 10. Thank you.
Brevard in Orange counties. For station KI 863 in Orlando, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Lake, Orange, Osceola, Hope, Seminole, and Volusia counties. For station WXJ70 in Melbourne, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Indian River, Orange, and Osceola counties. For station WWF69
And y'all shouldn't even be doing it, as a matter of fact. We're in a marginal risk.
and St. Lucie counties. This has been a test of the new weather radio public warning system. We now return to the regular broadcast program.